So what's going on, guys? Kaid's here and welcome back to this gaming setup. So this is how it looks in the dark, and we'll just put some lights on so we can actually see, and I'll explain everything that you can see. First of all, when we go into the room, yes, a lot of boxes, by the way. So first of all, yeah, we have here the wallpaper or whatever. Then around here, please focus. Oh, thank you. We have another picture or whatever. There will be one more, but that later. And usually this thing is filled with a bunch of ideas and stuff. So here we have a fish tank. What else? So yep, this is the actual setup itself. Okay, so starting off with the fun stuff, here is the AT2035 Audio Technica microphone, really good microphone, but for this microphone to work I need this red thing that is the Focusrite mixer, so it has power and that type of thing. So then we have two monitors, both of them 27-inch Asus VS247Q, good stuff. So then we have this webcam, which I usually don't use because my PC is not so powerful, but in future I'll be using this thing, so let's go. Okay, so yeah, this is basically the webcam itself. It's C922 Pro HD something something. So then we have a new speakers, which are these things. They're both like 20 bucks, but really good and really powerful, so that's awesome to see. Then going over to the chair, we have the Arosi gaming chair. Long story short about this gaming chair, I couldn't ship it to Latvia, so I just bought something like really close to the X-Racers. So then when we get this thing away, here we can see the mouse pad itself. This is the HyperX X6L version. I had the Razer previous one, which was good, but I just needed a bigger one. That's what she said. Either way, here is the mouse something something. It's like really nasty, like when you look at this thing, it's so nasty. The thing that no one tells about like mouses and stuff and even keyboards, they are like really nasty. I don't know if you can say, but bro, they're just really nasty, so you need to clean them like every month or so. Then we have a keyboard, Corsair 65 Lux RGB edition with silent switches, so they are like more silent and stuff. In my opinion, one of the best keyboards ever, and with a wristband or whatever, really good, really comfortable, awesome stuff. So yeah, then going over to the Audio Technica MX40s, really good, really comfortable headset. Then we have a Ps4 controller for some tutorials, or it's just normal controller, or some games as well. Okay, so here you can see as well the cable management. It isn't the best, but I can't see from farther, so that's good. Then we have the LEDs as well that you can see. Like when we take a look in further, it's, in my opinion, looks really good. Like here we have the wallpaper, the boxes, and in my opinion the cable management like down there is really awesome. So let's take a look. So oof, that was some bone racking. Okay, so please, okay, thank you camera. So IKEA Signum, these both things are that are holding the wires and stuff. In my opinion, the best things ever, so buy from IKEA or ship them to your country. Then here is my first ever PC. It's about like $600. I hope I'll soon buy a new one, but this is for now the thing that powers all of this thing. So that's that. Here we have a carpet, just why not. And by the way, we have the PC on the stand, so I'll basically doesn't get like dusty and stuff, so that's a good thing as well. Okay, so then going over to this side, we have a TV, 55-inch Samsung, yeah, like Ultra 4K HD and everything else. Then we have this two both LEDs, in my opinion, one of the best things ever and look amazing. And as well, at the end of this video, I'll show you how everything looks in the dark, so that's that. So yeah, then we have like these two plants, in my opinion, like cool and nice and easy touch. Then going over, we have this wallpaper, but here we probably will have another one in future. I'll buy one. So okay, so here is the place where I drink, I guess, because I'm too lazy to go to other rooms to get my water, so I just, you know, go back and forth. Then we have the headset, wireless, so basically I can watch the TV. So yeah, it's basically with Bluetooth and stuff. It's, in my opinion, one of the best things ever. And then as well, we can like charge their stuff, so it's like a headset stand, charging deck, and that type of thing. And here we have the last thing, we have a bed, and we have here the Ps4 couch or whatever, so we can watch the actual TV itself. And this is how it looks like from a further. In my opinion, awesome stuff. So the best thing and the last thing will be in the dark. So then we have this thing here, something like this. It isn't like bad for the eyes and stuff, especially with the LEDs. So when you buy LEDs, buy good ones, because like boring. And this is how it actually looks like as well with the TV. And basically that's that. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Like per usual, let me know in the comment section down below if you have any ideas or future things that I should add or remove in my gaming setup. Like per usual, stay tuned. Tomorrow I'll have another Fortnite video for you. So, if you have any suggestions or questions about the setup that you want to as well put in your setup, or any questions that I didn't say or whatever and maybe missed something, let me know down below, and see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.